Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can you use the datasheet in your Jupyter notebook. So let's start from the beginning. Let's write import pandas as PD. Okay, then let's take another data frame. Let's define it df equal to PD. At PD means pandas dot read dot CSV file. My file is CSV, so underscore CSV, then from the first bracket, then let's copy the file location. So if you click the right click here, I am using Windows 10, there is no file path location option here. So just click the shift and press again the right button of your mouse, then you can see there is a option is copy as path. Okay, let's copy as path. Click copy it and then paste it here, and if you press the shift enter, then there is a syntax error. So now we have to give here R, then press again shift plus enter. So now it is working, and let's check df dot head. Let's check here. It is working. Okay, so there is another way to copy this file location. Okay, pd dot read underscore csv first bracket and location. Thus we need to backward slash to forward slash. Okay, so thus need to change this one, backward to forward, backward to forward, backward to forward, backward to forward. Now shift plus enter and it is working here. Let's check date dot right. Okay, let's check only 3. Okay, it is working. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Do subscribe and stay with us.